Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure your Conga 990 is turned off and unplugged. Start by flipping the unit over to access the battery compartment. You will notice a series of screws securing the battery cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. This is a good time to use your soft cloth to clean the area, ensuring that there's no obstruction that might affect performance later. Next, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect the old battery by pulling the connector away from the socket. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify any additional issues. Now, take your new battery and align the connector with the socket in the same orientation as the old battery. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating a secure connection. It's crucial to ensure that the battery is fitted correctly to prevent any malfunction. After the new battery is connected, place the battery cover back onto the unit. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you previously removed. Be sure to tighten them snugly, but do not over-tighten, as this may strip the screws or damage the plastic. Once the cover is secured, flip your Conga 990 back to its upright position. Now, plug it in and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. However, if you encounter any issues, you can reach out to us. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency about any potential costs. In case you don't have the tools necessary for this task or prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your Conga 990 serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Lastly, always dispose of your old battery responsibly. Many local recycling centers accept batteries, so check your local regulations on how to properly recycle electronic components. By following these steps, you've not only extended the life of your Conga 990 but also ensured it continues to serve you well in keeping your floors clean. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.